Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another hair video, and today I'm actually going to be blowing out my hair. My hair is already freshly washed, detangled. It's actually dry. I let it air dry overnight in these like twists right here. I'm gonna show you the products that I use to wash my hair and the products that I'm gonna use during the blow dry process. So give me one sec. So the shampoo I use is the wow, I can't even speak English. I use the Mielle Organics. This is from their new line, the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo. Rhassoul clay as well. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yes, so that's what I used. And these are heavenly. So yeah, I just used 2 shampoos to just clarify. And I will actually be doing an updated staple products video soon, because my staple products have changed. So some things have stayed the same, but some things have changed. So I'll go ahead and make a video about that. And then those of you who have been following me for a while, you already know that I just live and swear by this. The TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask as my deep conditioner. Holy grail staple product. Been using it for about, let me see, since 2017. Yeah, so about like 2 years now. Actually, no, even before 2017. Maybe like towards the beginning, or maybe towards the end of 2016 I started using this. So it's about 3 years that I've been using this product. So TGIN, sponsor your girl, you know what I'm saying? I've been using this. I'm committed. Sponsor me, please. I'm just kidding. But yeah, TGIN, swear by this. That's what I use to deep condition. I use my DIY oil mix. So those are the products that I use to wash my hair. The products I'm going to use during this blow dry session is the Jane Carter Revitalizing Leave-In Conditioner. I don't know, can y'all see that? Yes. Jane Carter Solutions, and it also serves as a heat protectant. So this is all that I use. And then I'm just going to use a little bit of the Bronner Brothers Jamaican Black Castor Oil Spray. And then I'll just like use a little bit of that. So for me, I just use a little bit of product because I don't want to weigh my hair down. And I already have the leave-in, the heat protectant, the oil to just seal everything in. So we Gucci. Okay. So my hair is already split into like 4 sections. I just have like the ones over here. So I'm going to start from the back. It's already detangled and everything, but I'm probably going to lightly detangle it again. I'm going to spritz it with water because it's a little dry. Mind you, I let it air dry overnight, so I'm just trying to put moisture back in just a little bit. Hey, you see my dark marks? Yay. Enemy of progress. Lightly detangle. I'm actually gonna divide this section into 2. And those of you who have been keeping up with the hair dryer handheld Revlon, I also purchased it as well, so that's what I've been using to blow out my hair. So I'm gonna use the Revlon handheld blow dryer with the bristle and stuff, and I'm gonna start off on low. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the next section. Or actually, I'm gonna put this section in a twist just to keep it away. Put it on high for that section because it's a little bit thicker, and then also well, if you can see, I usually work my way from the ends to the roots. So I start off at the bottom and then I work my way up. Okay, so I'll come back when this half is done. Hey guys, so this side is blown out. Just feels great, perfect, amazing, wonderful. And I have to do this side, but I just want to give y'all a comparison. Shrinkage, y'all. Shrinkage. But because, I mean, honestly, y'all can't even see the drastic effect of shrinkage because this is a little bit stretched out. But y'all, look at the difference. Look at the difference. That is crazy. Okay, so I did this side. After I finished all the sections, I went back again and did it over high. And got every nook and cranny, so it's pretty smooth. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do this side and I'll come back again. So yeah, I just tied this section away and we're just gonna go ahead and do this section now. I'm gonna repeat the same process, leave-in and oil. Bye. Look at this. Oh my god, look at how, y'all, should I go out in pigtails like this? This is so cute. Look at that. That is so cute. I should go out in pigtails. What y'all think? This is the last section and I'm just gonna go over that. So yeah. Now that all the sections are done, I'm gonna go through this section again. Yeah, I'm gonna go through it again just to make sure everything I got, especially my roots. So yeah. Okay, so this is my hair after blowing it out and everything. My ends look okay and feel okay, so I don't have to like dust anything, which is nice. But yeah, this is my hair. This is it. I'll probably keep it in those pigtails. in these pigtails. I actually don't even know if I'm gonna go out in public like this. I mean, it's kind of cute. I'll probably do that. Like I said, I'll be doing more videos. Stay tuned for my new updated staple hair products video that's gonna come out soon. And yeah, I'm so excited. I love it. Y'all, if y'all haven't tried this yet, go try it. Like, for real, if y'all haven't tried it yet, go ahead and try it. Like, it's amazing. It literally cut down my hair drying time, blowout time. Like, it probably took me like 30 minutes. 30 minutes to do everything. So, yeah, it's not too bad. Oh, I love it. Diana Ross, baby. All right. Bye, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.